Personality has power to uplift, power to depress, power to curse, and power to bless. With this, hello everyone. I am Mamta Shah, a management learner of 21st century management education. Before proceeding to the topic, I would like to extend my gratitude to our Dean Sir, Dr. Devendra Arora, and all the faculties of MBA Department of MIET Business School for providing us such a great platform that really help us to enhance our skills. So, my topic for today's video is personality development. See, personality has many definitions in general opinion. The word personality is derived from a Latin word personare, which means to speak through. Personality is the sum total of ways in which an individual react and interact with others. Or you can simply say it's a mirror image of how an individual react and interact with others. In fact, when one refers to personality, it generally implies what is unique about an individual, the characteristics that makes one stand out in a crowd. Personality is the sum total of an individual psychological traits, characteristics, beliefs, motives, habits, attitudes, and outlooks. At the same time, personality development is a means and a method that help us to develop our persona such that we can become better, smarter, and brighter individual. Now, let's talk about what are the needs for personality development. So, the needs for personality developments are: the very first one is willpower. Willpower is the key factor necessary to develop personality. It is a phenomena which lies in human mind. It needs to be groomed, shaped, and exploited. Concentration, meditation, and faith can be of great help in this regard. All the great men of the world who rose to the height of success were the men of strong will. They changed the direction of the wind in their favor. Men of will never step back in the face of adversaries. They have full confidence in their will. Thus, they believe and taste success at the end of the day. The second one is concentration. Concentration is another important ingredient of personality development. Concentration helps in exploiting the potentiality hidden in human beings. Good habits and memory vitalize the efficiency of mind. It is the power of the concentration which gives strength even to the weakest creature. The third one is humor. Humor adds color to the personality. It makes personality interesting and remove boredom. A humorous person keeps himself above all scars and worries. He spreads cheerfulness around him and becomes popular among his circles. Now, let us go through some tips for enhancing one's personality. The very first one is smile a lot. Nothing works better than a big smile when it comes to interacting with people around. Do not forget to flash your trillion-dollar smile quite often. Believe me, it works. As they say, a smile is a curve which sets everything straight. A smile not only helps in enhancing one's personality but also helps in winning others' heart. Then second one is think positive. It is really essential to think positive. Remember, there is light at the end of every dark tunnel. Do not always think negative, as it not only acts as a demotivating factor but also makes an individual dull and frustrated. The third one is help others. Do not think of harming others. Share whatever you know. Remember, no one can steal your knowledge. So, always help others. Then, the fourth one is confidence. Yes, confidence is a key for a positive personality. Exude confidence and positive aura wherever you go. Then, last but not the least is be a patient listener. Yes, be a patient listener. Never interrupt when others are speaking. Try to imbibe the good qualities of others. Now, I would like to end this video with a very beautiful quote by Henry David that you cannot dream of yourself into a character. You must hammer and forge yourself to fit in one. Thank you. I hope you all like it.